Bakit? Nagbabalag ako. Ha? Galing kay food. Delivery? Sige. She's my sister. Yes. Thank you. Yun. Meron daw tayong delivery from Canada. Hi guys! Good morning! It's TGIF. So, today I'll be going out just in a short time because I need to do some errands. So, grocery lang ako sa labas. And, ayun, alam nyo na, pag nagkakaubusan na, yes. Actually, ang budget or ang preparation ko sa mga kailangan dito sa bahay is for 2 weeks, mga ganon, sa food, 2 weeks yan, nakastock dyan sa kitchen, yung mga kailangan, yung pag-grocery for 2 weeks. Pero sometimes, kapag hindi masyadong nagugutom, umaabot siya ng 3 weeks yung grocery. And then yung sa market naman, mga 2 weeks, yan, yung mga vegetables na binibili, yung chicken and pork, yung mga stock na food na kailangan. Kasi, alam niyo na, kapag may kids dito sa bahay, talaga naman, maya't maya nagugutom sila. So, ayun, kailangan lagi may stock ang food. So, you have to be sure that everything is, all the food, the preparation is clean, and then yung food, more on vegetables and fruits para rin sa mga hindi sa pagiging sobrang health conscious, but we have to be really take care of our health, diba? Especially nowadays na meron na namang bagong virus na discover, so you have to protect yourself, your family, ganon, diba? So, yun, I'll be doing my errands today. And, simple lang, just the powder. And, syempre, ganyan. Meron tayong, I'm using the Maybelline, Superstay. Yeah, Maybelline Superstay. Para naman, kung magutom tayo sa pag-grocery, may mga free taste doon. Free taste agad eh. Yun lang. Okay, so may mga free taste doon na pwede nating tikman, diba? And so, hindi tayo mawawala ng lipstick, diba? Parang may bisita. Wait lang guys. So, tingnan natin kung sinong kumakatok at nang i-istorbo sa aking pag-vlog. Bakit? Nagbabalag ako. Ha? Galing kay food. Delivery? Sige. She's my sister. Yes. Thank you! Ayun. Meron daw tayong delivery from Canada. Yes. Tandaan natin yung delivery na to. Today is January 31. Friday, meron tayong delivery from Canada. And it's from JRS Express. Yun ang nag-deliver. Yan, JRS Express. And to my wife. From my husband, Mark. Yes, he is now in Canada, my husband. Parang katapusan pa lang ng January, wala pang Valentine's Day, may delivery na kagad, may papackage na kagad. Yan ang husband ko, guys. Yan. So, kahit walang okasyon, nagpapadeliver siya minsan. Alam niyo yun, kahit na long distance relationship na kami, LDR kami, kasi nasa Canada siya, nandito ako sa Philippines with my 2 angels, meron na kaming 2 anak. Pero, alam niyo yun, para pa rin kami talaga mag-boyfriend and girlfriend, hindi nawawala yung pa-flowers, kahit na malayo na siya, minsan nagpapadeliver pa siya flowers with cake, yun, may mga free pillows, free stuffed toy, yung flowered chocolates, ganyan from Canada. So, this one is delivery ng JRS Express. Yes, and this is to my wife, and then my name, of course, from your husband. So, let's open, guys. Open natin. Okay? May pa-surprise ka na naman na. Shout out to my husband. Thank you! Tingnan natin kung ano ito. May pa-surprise na naman siya sa akin. Okay, let's see, guys. Piece of flowers, to be sure. Okay, wait lang ha. At pinubuksan ko siya. Guys, it's shoes. Okay. It's Nike. Okay, it's Nike. There. It's Nike. Nike Air, guys. And the color is peach, and it is para siyang hindi ko alam kung anong texture to. Very nice. Ang tanong, kasya ba to sa akin? Kasi lagi na lang yung mga sizes American size. So, ayan guys. Thank you, babe. This one. Let's see this. Wala na siyang box kasi mas heavy daw. Brand new! Ang tanong, kasya ba ito? Tingnan natin kung kasya siya. Wait lang. Pwede ko na siyang gamitin pang jean, guys. It fits. Look. There you go, guys. So, kasya siya. Kasya siya, babe. So, thank you. Thank you. I love you. Thank you for the package. This one. Thank you, babe. So, ayun, guys. So, I need to do my errands today. And, yun lang yung usually na ginagawa natin. So, Friday, grocery time, market tea, yun yung mga kailangan sa bahay. And yun nga sinabi ko kanina, no? You have to be sure, especially for the momshies, prepare healthy food, veggies, more on fruits. Hindi dapat nawawala ng fruits sa ibabaw ng table kasi especially pag may mga bata. At kahit walang bata sa ating sarili, you have to take care of yourself, you have to take care of your family, okay? And the entire universe. May pa ganon. Okay, so, TGIF sa lahat, and thank you for watching! Kita-kits ulit tayo sa Chris channel. Thank you, babe. Love you.